How to add payment method on KuCoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to make your first transactions on KuCoin, then you can easily add a payment method first, which is simple and it can be done in minutes. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Go to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile avatar, and once you're inside this page, scroll down and click on Security. Inside the Security tab, scroll all the way down and you'll see Payment Method option under Other. Click on it, and on the next page, click on Add Payment Method at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and make sure that you have verified your identity as well. If you've verified your identity, you'll be able to see your name at the very top under Verified Name option. Now, tap on the Payment Method section and choose a payment method you'd like to add. You'll see options such as bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and so on this page. Select any one payment method and then enter the rest of the credentials asked to you. Since I've selected Visa Direct option, I'm gonna have to type in my bank card number, phone number, and my full name. Just go ahead and fill in your info. This differs according to the payment method you've chosen. After entering all of your correct details, click on the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen and verify your payment method. After you've done that, your payment method will be saved. After it is saved, you can easily buy crypto anytime using it on your KuCoin app. Just make sure you have the correct info about your payment method. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.